Welcome back. Now we continue to see more dust in the Caribbean this evening. We also have dry, stable conditions persisting throughout the area. Some scattered low clouds, but no significant shower or thunderstorm activity. Still have those strong winds pushing all the moisture into the western portion of the Caribbean basin. Now the forecast for tonight has generally fair skies across the area. We're expecting that the temperatures are dropping to about 26 degrees Celsius, both in Kingston and in Montego Bay. We have northerly winds on the south coast tonight, and we expect the winds from the southeast along the north coast. Now in the morning tomorrow, expect generally sunny and hazy conditions across the island. For the afternoon, we have partly cloudy conditions. We're also expected to see hazy conditions. Temperatures are reaching 35 degrees Celsius both in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Now for the breakdown, we're expecting it to be partly cloudy in Morant Bay tomorrow, but it's generally sunny in Kingston and Halfway Tree, and sunny and hazy elsewhere, Portmore through to Mandeville, also in the southwest, Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar and Negril. We're expecting hazy conditions as well for Montego Bay and Falmouth. We expect generally sunny skies across Ocho Rios, Port Murray and Port Antonio tomorrow, but more of the haze is likely across the inland areas. That's Golden Spring, Bogwalk, also Moco, Christiana, Grange Hill, Duncans, K Valley, Richmond and Moortown. Expect continued haziness across the area Wednesday through Thursday. We expect some lifting on Friday, but there are also isolated showers forecast for western sections of the island. For the marine forecast, the winds are east-northeasterly averaging 20 knots on the north coast tomorrow, with wave heights reaching 2 meters. On the south coast tomorrow, we're expecting easterlies averaging anywhere between 20 and 25 knots, so we're keeping our small craft warning in effect, wave heights getting up to 2.5 meters. And the small craft warning also extends into offshore areas for easterly winds reaching 20 to 25 knots, wave heights between 2 and 2.5 meters. And in our outlook, we're expecting winds on Wednesday out of the east at 20 to 25 knots, and then on Thursday and Friday, winds are easterly at 15 to 20 knots with wave heights reaching 2 meters. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. Thank you so much for watching.